while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies pick up speed. The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of cryptographic forms of money offered a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The eminent cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Heavenly had their own advantage fad to advance. Before we dive into Ethereum Classic cost expectation, let us view a portion of the novel highlights of Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, a classic touch. No big surprise, this is a result of years-long reasoning, planning, science, and innovation all consolidated together. With opportunity arrived cryptographic forms of money on the computerized guide with date-set achievements and afterward showed the beginning of Ethereum Classic. Forked out of Ethereum in 2016, Ethereum Classic's central goal has been to cause financial backers to have a real sense of reassurance and execute safely with and so on at lightning-quick speed. A few elements oversee the development of and so forth, cost with instability being the most compelling one. There are additionally experts engaged with the value investigation of rates and the execution of exchanges on the web. The Ethereum Classic digital money costs are fit for producing unmistakable pay, which draws in clients and so on. Local area has set higher benchmarks for itself in any case. Cost of Ethereum forecast will outperform all cryptographic money financial backers' assumptions who have found this stage incredibly intelligent and straightforward. Ethereum Classic current market status is being contrasted with gold. As of now, Ethereum Classic value equivalent to $31.44, and here there are cost figures additionally referenced which can be useful. Ethereum Classic, the Constitution. Most Ethereum Classic undertakings today depend on Ethereum Classic cost as a public blockchain, which awards admittance to a bigger crowd of clients, network hubs, money, and generally market. In any case, there are much of the time motivations to favor a private blockchain or consortium blockchain as a substitute for concentrated or semi-unified trust. Public blockchains are gotten by crypto financial matters, the blend of monetary motivations and cryptographic check utilizing systems. For example, evidence of work or confirmation of stake, following an overall rule that how much somebody can impact the agreement interaction is relative to the quantity of monetary assets that they can bring to bear. These two blockchains are by and large viewed as completely decentralized, to some extent decentralized. A consortium blockchain is a blockchain where the agreement cycle is constrained by a pre-chosen set of hubs. For instance, one could envision a consortium of 15 monetary establishments, every one of which works a hub and of which 10 should sign each block for the block to be substantial. A total confidential Ethereum blockchain is really incorporated to one association for composing consents. Peru's authorizations might be public or confined to an erratic degree. Reasonable applications incorporate information-based administration, inspecting, and so on, interior to a solitary organization. So open meaningfulness may not be essential by and large by any stretch of the imagination. However, in different cases, public discernibility is wanted. All above add to the in general Ethereum Classic biological system by putting resources into Ethereum Classic forecast programming improvement. Over the long run, this converts into programming upgrades, shared information, and open positions. According to cost examination and our own exploration, Ethereum Classic value expectation could address down towards $19 toward the finish of this 1 year, despite the fact that in the momentary it might record a high of around $25. As per Ethereum Classic cost gauge and own examination, when 2024 methodologies, in the 5 years, we can see the and so on cost resting at the sign of $50 in the primary half. Ethereum Classic and so forth value forecast is set to outperform the assumptions. By 2025, in the following 5 years, the Ethereum Classic value forecast will break the characteristic of $69.98, which is its greatest cost in the primary half. However, Ethereum Classic and so forth cost forecast needed to put forth a huge attempt to fork out of its starting point and contend long and hard with its opponent cryptographic forms of money. It isn't long that it would beat during the last year. As indicated by the specialized examination, a large portion of the contenders of Ethereum Classic, as well, didn't entrance the merchants by the same token. Nonetheless, and so on cost consistency has attempted to show in itself a novel component to discuss. Ethereum Classic value expectation 2022. As per Ethereum Classic cost expectation 2022, notwithstanding the new disadvantage value development of practically all of the crypto coins, there are consistent schedule cost forecasts that and so on is ready for a rise throughout the following couple of weeks, following the ongoing cost moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the particular cost range. It is clear that the Ethereum Classic cost could keep on exchanging negatively according to the close to first half term Ethereum Classic cost forecast 2022. However, it is too soon to anticipate regardless of whether and so on value development will improve. What stays clear is that there is reason to have hope without a doubt toward 2022 in the momentary's end. It is anticipated to arrive at most extreme level at $42. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer-term cost bullish pattern and specialized examination, when contrasted with Ethereum Classic Cost Forecast 2022 has been deviating from its way ordinarily every several years. So proceeding, almost certainly, the finish of 2023 in the long haul may not be really ideal for and so on cost for acceleration, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. There is an anticipated possibility of Ethereum Classic Cost causing a misfortune or losing cash quickly, however just pitiful, exchanging around $45 and afterward bouncing again up to $50 as per Ethereum Classic Cost Expectation 2023. Notwithstanding, this stays as a cynical situation. Be more exact and involve complex instruments for a critical expansion in your benefit and wise venture. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, it will be truly useful for the future expectation 2023 at the ongoing cost. Ethereum Classic Value Forecast 2024. There is no such thing as expressing that a stunning chance in that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected, and so forth value forecast will lead the crypto business realm with a typical cost fixed exhibition at $51, which shows and so on Ethereum Classic Cost estimate has the maximum capacity not exclusively to support however reliably fill even in antagonistic circumstances. Ethereum Classic Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year as the and so forth cost is anticipated to outperform $65 definitely. Essentially in light of the fact that this year, no pivotal variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is normal that the greater part of the harm done would be headed for fixed work in every world economy. With mass reception and Ethereum Classic Cost figure, the Ethereum Classic Value Expectation is assessed to arrive at the base cost of $48 by 2025. Ethereum Classic Value Expectations 2026. As per the and so on cost expectation for 2026, in the following long term, the money will stay in a bullish pattern position. Additionally, in view of future developments and mix could influence positive pattern on the general development of the Ethereum Classic biological system. By 2026, the cost of Ethereum Classic gauge might raise a ruckus around town cost of $62 according to our and so forth conjectures and specialized investigation. Assuming the cost of and so on coin pattern keeps on exchanging with potential gain force past 2026, and so forth cost could arrive at more significant levels. Then again, in view of Ethereum Classic Value Expectation, brokers or financial backers ought to add it to their portfolio or pursue a wise speculation choices at the ongoing value levels to procure more benefit in the long haul. What will Ethereum Classic be worth in 2030? As indicated by our Ethereum Classic Cost Expectation 2030, Ethereum Classic be worth, the crypto market will enter